Welcome students. Today we study the general method to measure the horizontal angle. So here in ground we have the 3 points, that is P, this is Q, and that is R. PQR horizontal angle we have to measure. So first step is set the instrument over point Q. So this is point Q. Set the tripod stand first, then set the theodolite and do all the necessary adjustments. So do the centering, do the leveling using the foot screws, then eliminate the parallax. So these are the first steps. So next what you have to do is, after setting the instrument over point Q, now you set the initial reading to 0. So lower clamp, upper clamp. So both the clamp you can release, or this upper clamp you release, lower clamp you clamp, and now looking into the vernier A, in vernier A you bring the reading exactly to 0, and at same time you observe at B it should be 180 degree. So like that, in A vernier 0 degree and B vernier 180 degree you set. If you need any fine adjustment, then clamp upper clamp, and using upper tangential clamp you bring the 0 of the vernier exactly over the 0 of the horizontal circle. So this is the second step. First step, set the instrument over point Q. Second step is set verniers to 0. So we are measuring horizontal angle. So here horizontal verniers, A vernier 0, B vernier 180. So now both clamps are clamped. Okay, this telescope is somewhere. So now my aim is to measure this horizontal angle. So what I have to do now, reading must be same. Reading must be same. And now I have to rotate the instrument such a way that I have to sight P first. So that is called back sight. So what you have to do, release lower clamp. Release lower clamp and rotate the instrument to sight point P. So upper clamp is clamped. So there is no relative movement between the horizontal circle and vernier. So reading will not change. Reading will remains 0 only, because only lower clamp is clamped. So lower clamp is clamped now. Rotate this instrument and sight point P, the ranging rod of at P. So sight the P. So try to sight almost bottommost point. So here advantage is you can rotate the telescope. So sight the bottommost point of the ranging rod. So if any perfect bisection is needed, then lower tangent screw, lower clamp you tight, and using lower tangent screw you exactly bisect point P. So next, now your line of sight is towards P. Readings, so at A vernier it is 0, B vernier 180. If you want, once you check. Now you have to measure this angle PQR. So what you do? Now you have to release the upper clamp. Now release upper clamp, and slowly rotate the instrument towards R. So now we are measuring the angle PQR. So slowly reading will change, because we are measuring, we are unclamped upper clamp. So when upper clamp is unclamped means, so now there is a relative movement. Horizontal circle is fixed, vernier will move slowly like this. So reading will change. So upper clamp is used whenever you have to measure the angle. So now you sight the point R. bisect it accurately using upper tangent screw. Only release upper tangent screw, and releasing upper tangent screw, bisect it accurately. So now this angle is measured. Now in this A vernier, so reading is changed now. So now read the reading. So that reading gives the angle PQR. So now it is in face left observation. So in face left observation, this is the horizontal angle. So in A vernier, you will get the reading or horizontal angle directly. In B vernier, you have to deduct the reading by 180 degree. Otherwise, here you note down degree, minutes and second. Here only minutes and second. So this is the general method to measure the horizontal angle. Okay. So similarly, you make face right now. Face right. Now it is face right. Once again, you set verniers to 0. 0. And repeat the procedure. Same as face left observation. Release lower clamp, sight P, and then releasing upper clamp, rotate the instrument or swing towards right, and sight point R. Point R. If perfect bisection is needed, then use the upper tangent clamp. Now note down the reading. So now reading gives the horizontal angle PQR by face right observation. Earlier face left, now face right. So face left mean, face right mean. So take the average of face left and face right gives the required horizontal angle PQR.